Hey guys, it's your boy Chaz. Welcome back to Be There Soon. If you're new, hi. We are going to inspect our car real quick. But we have a challenge to do for DoorDash. $75 for 15 deliveries. Let's see how much they slow that down, huh? They give us, what, 2 days to finish it? If it's $200, they give us 3 days. Trying to get a quick state inspection real quick.
Yeah, because I already did the oil change, you know?
Yeah.
Let me go in there. Let's see if we can.
Yeah, check it, see?
Yeah. You want to come here?
Yeah. 5? Okay. Yeah, they close at 5.
You guys are closed, right?
Yeah, what y'all trying to do?
State inspection.
I'll do it for you real quick.
Really? Oh, thank you.
I appreciate you. They allowed us to get the car inspected. It is like literally 6 o'clock. We woke up late. All right, guys, we woke up late. We really woke up late. We haven't eaten anything yet. We just showered, got ready, and just headed out through the door. And we forgot we needed to get our car inspected because we need our inspection sticker updated. But most of these places close at 5, so thankfully he saw us there and he was just like, "Ah, it's cool. You know, it's a 5-minute thing." So that was really nice of him. This is a good place to go to, I guess. Bad boy. There goes our bad boy. There it goes. We passed inspection, baby. Yeah.
Surprisingly, just kidding.
We are good to go, good to drive. Some more.
My eyebrows just
Or you see my wife's eyebrows. Sorry, guys.
At least they look good.
You saw her nice fleet eyebrows.
Nobody uses flake anymore. How old are you?
I am 54.
Apparently. He
Duh.
said fleek. Like, oh my god.
Like, we still use
I'm
that.
embarrassed for him.
Like, hello, we still use that. Hello. It's because I'm a grandpa. It doesn't mean anything. Okay. I'm embarrassed for you. This was the main thing we needed to take care of.
Yeah, and we always forget.
Yeah, we always save it at the last minute.
I know, they send that like in February, like at the beginning. I mean, in January, if I'm not mistaken. And I forgot all about it. I forgot my other part too.
What reminds us a lot is Uber. Uber's like, hey, your registration ends in like 4 days.
Like, you're about to get locked out. Like, oh, why?
Why? What happened? Your registration, duh. Oh, okay, sorry. Why you gotta be so mean?
It's like, this is none of your business. Stay out of my business.
You know your business.
Yeah. Like DoorDash, Amazon, they don't
ask for that.
I mean, they ask at the beginning.
Yeah, at the beginning, yeah,
But
when you
after
sign
that,
up.
it's your problem, you know?
Uber Eats is constant. Hey, your license is about to expire.
Hey, your insurance is about to expire. Hey, it's like, God.
I really do appreciate the reminder though, because we, sometimes we do. But they shouldn't be locking you out.
Yeah, because we have other cars there.
Yeah, we have like 2 other cars on there, so it's like, okay, why not switch to the other one?
Yeah, like, stay off my nuts, bro.
Stay off these nuts. I interrupt you right along. One announcement. I want to give a shout out to my boy, the Master Dasher. He has an amazing channel. Go out there, support him. He does everything from Uber Eats, DoorDash, Spark, you name it. He's part of the gig family, y'all. He also dashes for a cause, which is amazing to me. Last February, he donated $474 to the Wounded Warrior Project, which is amazing, guys. This guy does things for the people, and I love it. He goes out there with his family and does this on a daily basis for fun. Extra money always helps. Big inspiration, y'all. That's something that's a really big inspiration to me. Dashing for a cause. Amazing. Go check out the Master Dasher. I'll leave the link in the description. That way you guys can check him out. And back to the ride along. DoorDash challenge. It is for $75, 15 deliveries. First order, $10 for 6 miles. Appreciate you. Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good night. All right. Got that order. Let's go deliver. Bye. All right, let's go drop this bad boy off. $10 order. Man, that came out of nowhere. Those fingers.
Drive safe.
Thank you. Awesome guy. Awesome guy. Earn $10 from that beautiful order, baby. Let's do it. Love it. We're getting 2 orders. Burger King. Oh yeah, both orders are from Burger King. That's pretty good. 1875 for 8.6 miles. We'll go grab.
And here's the other one.
All right, perfect. We'll go grab my bag real quick so I can put everything together. Put it in here.
Because it
broke. All right. Whew. All right. Here's picking up those 2 bad boys. They were pretty big orders. Well, the first one was a big order. The other one wasn't. So let's go ahead and see where we're going. Confirm pickup. All right, 13 minutes away. Let's do it. All right. That one was dropped off. Earned $10 for that order. On to the next. So we're on our way to the next one. Did forget to mention we started at 7 p.m. on the dot. It is now 8:10 p.m. We're heading to the last one for this order. And already we're made $28.75. Not so bad for an hour and some change. Right. Delivered that. We earned a total of $18.75 for that order. Got another one for Smoky Moe's. $6.50 for 3.2 miles. Pretty good. I knew it. Smoky Moe's is right here.
the pit is lit.
Okay, the pit is lit, baby.
What, 50?
For carnivores. That's great. What you looking at? Smells so good in here. Gotcha. No problem. Smoky Moe's, I forgot how good it smells. But they smell delicious. I want some Smoky Moe's right now. Drop that one off. Earned a total of $6.50 for that order. No hidden tip. It's all good. We still got a tip regardless. $4 tip, baby. It is 8:38 and we are at $35.25 so far. Orders have been coming in. They have been coming in pretty hot, but not the pay. Pay is not hot at all. That's the issue we're having right now. But we have 4 out of 15 so far, and $35.25 is what we made so far. And it's 8:48 p.m., so we're almost at the 2-hour mark from where we started working. So we're just waiting for another order that makes sense. Like some of these orders that came in were like $2 for like 6 miles, $4.25 right now for 6.3 miles. Not worth it. We're not wasting our time and effort on that. You always want to think smart. All right, just got another offer that's worth it. $7.50, 4 miles, crumble cookies. See, that's worth it. All the other stuff was just like, no.
Yes. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
All right, just finished picking that one up. Even portion knock. Okay. Oh, cool. All right, just finished dropping that bad boy off. Earned a total of $7.50 for that beautiful order. It is 9:09 and we are currently at $42.75. 5 out of 15 deliveries. Whew, almost there, guys. All right, so I kicked this out of our dash because it's 9:30, and I did schedule it for.
Yeah, it wouldn't let us go.
Yeah, I did schedule it for. It was for 7 to 9:30, so 2 hours and 28 minutes. We made $42.75 in this area. Got another one for 725, 4.2 miles. Chili's Bar and Grill. They just handed us our order. Heading to drop it off. All right, just finished dropping that one off. Earned $7.50 for that order. 2 orders for Wingstop, $11, 4.5 miles. Nice. It took a little longer than expected. It's in the same complex, which is good.
I'm in the, what is it called? The building complex, right?
Yeah, building complex. We're already inside the building complex, so that's a good thing. And we don't have to get out of the complex because the address is pretty much wrong. Mm-hmm. The address that's on file for DoorDash is wrong, so.
4304.
Building 4.
What was that building number?
Building 2. Right. We earned a total of $11 for that last order. Pretty good, pretty good. Got another one for Pluckers Wing and Bar, $10 for 2 miles. I'm trying to take a picture of it. All right, picked up that beautiful order. Going ahead to drop it off. $10 for 2 miles. That's really good. Earned $10 for that last order. Hopefully we get a couple more. Got another one for Chili's Grill and Bar, $8.50 for 3.2 miles. We arrived at Chili's. We're going to submit our parking spot, and they're going to bring the food to us.
Ashton? Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You too. All right, Ashton, we're on our way. Be there soon. Here, we earned $8.50 for that last order. We are 10 down and 5 more to go to complete this challenge. It is 11:54 p.m. All right, we just got one for Asian Express, 1175, 5.7 miles. Not bad.
Hi, pick it up for Sheldon A. Thank you. Have a good night.
We are downtown. We had to come downtown to basically get the rest of the orders because up in the up in the suburbs, everything's pretty much closed already. So we are going to attempt to see what spits fire down here and get it done. We got 3 more to go after this one, and it's 12:40 a.m. I love midnight shifts. Earned $11.75 for that order. And it took us a little bit out of the zone, but we're gonna go right back in and get this done anyway. One way or another, it's gonna get done. He's got $5.50 for paid up Daniel. Mm-hmm. Thank you. So just finished dropping that off. Picked up another order for $21 for 6.1 miles. Asian Express. That'll put us at 15, which is amazing. That's like what we wanted. We're on our way to pick it up right now. This place is a bit gets a bit crowded only because it's one of the places that you go to right after the bar, you know? We're in the midst of the bar section, so it's technically after party food. I got John and Ryan.
But I want to add that I'm not going to send me up.
I'm just gonna order.
You know what? You know what?
John picked up already? All right. So as you guys heard, they only have one. The other one was already picked up already and stolen by the first driver. Now we're to call support.
For Ryan, yes, I got the order. They gave me that one. I just don't have the order for John.
Did they inform me if it was picked up by another dasher or by the customer?
No, by another dasher.
Okay. So for this one, give me a few moments. I will have to place the call on hold for about 2 minutes to contact the store to get a confirmation. Would that be okay?
Okay, that's fine.
So they're really busy there, so they're not telling them to confirm it. Food is only $10, bro. Just whatever you make from DoorDash, buy it yourself.
Hello?
Hello? Hi there, Danya. This is Ken from DoorDash Support. Just wanted to inform you that the order has already been cancelled and you will still be getting the half payment for this one, okay?
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye for now.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.
At least DoorDash pays you half, and they take it away from you. We're off to drop off our only one. Hey, how's it going?
Appreciate it.
Anytime. Have a great night. All right, guys. So just finished dropping off our last package, handed it to the customer, and we are done with the challenge. We earned $75 extra. That's how it looks. Well, I'm just put it here anyway. And how much do we earn in total? For that last order, we earned $10. All right, so we made $192.38. 4 hours and 5 minutes of active DoorDash time. God, just rumbling. So pretty good. This challenge helped us out a little bit. Now we're gonna be doing some extracurricular activities such as Uber Eats to see how good it is down here real quick. But thank you guys for watching this video. This has been your DoorDash challenge video, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Next money making video.